Good morning, students. In the previous video, we discussed about the problems based on the straight lines. That means so far you used the formulas y equal to mx plus c and y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is the equation of the line joining 2 points. And another one formation, slope intercept form, y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. Another one, intercept formation, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So far we used. Today we are going to use the same formulas, but it is based on some application problems. Read the question carefully. The seventh term of an arithmetic progression. From your lower class, that means your 10th standard, you already discussed about AP. The seventh term of an AP is 30. That means as per the given data, T7, seventh term is denoted by T7. T7 equal to 30. That is the first data given. And the 10th term, so T10 is also given. 10th term is 21. So in your 10th standard, you already completed the topic sequence and series. In that, you already finished the arithmetic regression also. So T7 equal to 30, T10 equal to 21. But today, you are going to use the concept of analytical geometry. Then we are going to find out the first three terms of an AP. Which term of an AP is 0? Another one, find the relationship between slope and common difference. Therefore, today we are going to solve this problem with the help of the analytical geometry concept. Now read the question carefully. Take down the data. These are the two data given. So, with the help of the coordinate axis system, I have to relate the given two data. See the given two data. T7 equal to 30. Another one, T10 equal to 21. Now I am going to draw the system of the coordinate x-axis. Take y-axis and origin. In this x-axis, I am taking the number of terms. So I can take first term, second term like this, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So in x-axis, I am taking the number of terms here. See the number of terms. In y-axis, I can take the value. For example, I am taking 10. Here I am taking 20. Here I am taking 30. Here I am taking 40. So in coordinate system, I am taking the x-axis represents the number of terms. You can write the sentence, let the x-axis denote the number of terms, y-axis denote the value of the term. These are the two explanations you can write. X-axis and y-axis denote some data. See the given data, T7, that means seventh term, denotes the value 30. See here, I can denote the value here 30. That means 7, 30. The points is denoted by 7, 30. Because x-axis denotes the term and y-axis denotes the value of the term. Another one, T10. See here 10th term. This denotes 10th term. That means 10th term denotes 21. See here 20. So I can take here. This is the point. 10, 21. So we have to find the equation of the line joining 7, 30 and 10, 21. So dear students, this is the concept we have to select. So x-axis denotes the number of terms, y-axis denotes the value of the term. That is the first concept. So as per the given data, T7 is 30. I can select 7, 30. Then T10 is 21. See now, it is the equation. We can give the name here P and Q. What is the meaning of PQ? Equation of the line PQ is nothing but the line joining any 2 points. Therefore, we have to find equation of PQ. That is nothing but y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So many times we are using the same formula. So I can select the first point as x1 comma y1. The second point is x2 comma y2. Just we need to substitute the data here. Y minus, what is the value of y1 here? 30 divided by y2. y2 is 21 minus again y1 is 30. That is equal to x minus, what is the value of x1 here? 7 divided by x2, that means 10 minus 7. So we have to substitute the given points in this formula. This is the formula we are using. From your lower classes onwards, you are using the same concept, equation of the line joining any 2 points. Now we have to simplify this one. That means in your numerator, y minus 30 divided by 30 minus 21, we can get 9 with the negative. Equal to, in your RHS, we can get x minus 7 already, 10 minus 7, we can get 3. So we have to cancel this 3 and 9. So the numerator becomes y minus 30 divided by minus 3. That is equal to x minus 7. So we can get divided by 1 only. This 3 and 9 will be cancelling. Now cross multiplying this 1 here, we can get to y minus 30. That is equal to minus 3 is multiplication with this cross multiplication. Minus 3 is multiplication, we can get to minus 3x. Minus 3 again multiplication with the minus 7, we can get positive 21. Just take the 30 the other side. So y equal to minus 3x. This 30 goes to the other side, we can get positive. So 21 already, this positive 30, we can get 51. We can get 51. This is the equation of this line. That means equation of the line joining P and Q. So here y equal to minus 3x plus 51 is the required equation. First we are creating the required equation. From this equation, the question number 1 asked is find the first 3 terms. That means we have to find T1, T2, T3. See here, this is the required equation we are able to find with the help of equation of the line joining any 2 points. Now see question number 1, we have to find T1, T2, T3. Just listen here, T1. The meaning of T1 is here, this is T1. What is the value of T1? So 1, 2, 3 is the x-axis, denotes the number of terms. That means here x-axis. If x equal to 1, then what is the value of y here? That means y equal to minus 3 times x is replaced by 1 plus 51. That means y equal to minus 3 plus 51. 51 will be simplified with minus 3. We can get y equal to 48. That means the first term, if x equal to 1, we can get 48. The result T1 equal to 48. This is the first term. In the same way, we are going to work out the second term. That means T2. We are working out T1. X equal to 1. Simplify. In the same way, you are going to work out T2. T2 means if x equal to 2, just replace y equal to 3 times 2. Again we can get minus 6. Again simplify. We can get 45. So that means if x equal to 2, that is the second term, y equal to 45, that is the second term, T2 is equal to 45. In the same way, we are going to work out the third term. If that means third term means T3. If x equal to 3, just to use the concept, y equal to 3 times 3 here, we can get 3 times 3 here, 3 3s are, we can get minus 9, here already 51, therefore we can get y equal to 51 minus 9, we can get 42. That means the third term T3 is equal to 42. See here, the first term 48, second term 45, third term 42. Like this we are able to get many terms. As per the given data, seventh term is equal to 30 as per the given data. You can verify that also from the help of this equation. See here, already given this one, 7th term is 30. That means we have to find T7. Just you have to verify. That means if x equal to 7, then substitute in this equation, minus 3 is multiplication with 7 plus 51. 3 7, 21 with negative plus 51. 51 simplification with 20, negative 20, we can get positive 30. See here, 7th term is equal to 30. In the same way, the 10th term they are given as per the concept 21. So that means as per the concept we are able to find or verify T10. That means if x equal to 10, 3 is multiplication with 10 here, then plus 51. Then simplifying these two, we can get minus 30 plus 51. See your answer, 21. That is also given. So as per the given data, we are selecting in the system of coordinate axis in the given concept, in the given data. 7, 30. That means number of terms are taken in your x-axis. Then the value of the term is in y-axis. Therefore, we are able to pairing the points 7, 30, 10, 21. After that, everything well-known procedure for you, because it is the line down any 2 points. Substitute, simplify, you can get an equation. In this equation, we have to use the logics. X is to be the number of terms, y is to be the value of the term. Substitute x equal to 1, that means T1 equal to 48, x equal to 2, that means we can get to T2 as 45, x equal to 3, that means T3 equal to 42. This is the first 3 terms of this AP. After that, the another question is asked. The value of the term is 0, then you have to find in which term the value gets 0. That is the question number 3. That means the value of the term is 0, then you have to find in which term, that is find the number of term. That means if the value of the term denotes in y-axis, therefore if y equal to 0, then we need to find x equal to question mark. That means x is in which term, so that is the number of term. So here you have to substitute the value y equal to 0, that means minus 3x is unknown, plus 51, convert this 3x here, 3x equal to 51, so that means x equal to 51 divided by 3, x equal to 51 is divided by 3, we can get 17. That means 17th term is 0, that is your conclusion. 17th term is 0, that is question number 2 they are asking. That means in which term the value of the term is 0. The value of the term is denoted in y-axis, therefore take y equal to 0, then x equal to unknown, question mark, then we can get to minus 3x plus 51 equal to 0, 3x equal to 51, 51 that means x equal to 51 by 3, we can get the value 17. That means 17th term is 0. That is the conclusion for your second question. They are asking one more data here. What is the relationship between the common difference of this AP and the slope of this line, straight line? See, equation of the line already we worked. Equation of the line. Just now we worked y equal to minus 3x plus 51. It is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. It is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. See here the coefficient of x is considered to be m. Here the coefficient of x is minus 3. Therefore we can say slope m equal to minus 3. Slope m equal to minus 3. Now we have to compare the slope with the help of the common difference. See, what is the T1, T2, T3? That means we are getting the sequence 48, 45, 42, like this. In this AP, what is the common difference? See, T2 minus T1, that is well-known procedure. 45 minus, you can write the formula, T2 minus T1. That means common difference is 45 minus 48. That means common difference D is also minus 3. So compare the slope and the common difference. What is your opinion? From this, we are able to conclude common difference is always equal to slope of the straight line. So we can say the conclusion, m equal to d equal to minus 3. M equal to d equal to minus 3. Then your conclusion is common difference is always equal to slope of the straight line. Therefore, dear students, you are able to follow, you are able to compare. In sequence and series, we already well-known procedure, you are already completing in 10th syllabus itself. But now we are learning the type of questions in terms of analytical geometry with the help of the coordinate axis system. Okay, students, take down the questions clearly, then follow it. In the same way, one more application problem we are having. Read the question clearly and take down. It is also well-known procedure in your lower classes. You already studied in your science subjects these concepts. Now listen once again. Read the question. The normal boiling point, read the question clearly. The normal boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade, or you can say 212 degree Fahrenheit. The normal boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade or 212 degree Fahrenheit. And the freezing point of water, is once again 0 degree centigrade or 32 degree Fahrenheit. So, and the freezing point of the water is 0 degree centigrade or 32 degree Fahrenheit. From this concept, we need to find the three results. Find the linear relationship between C and F. This is question number 1. Find the linear relationship between C and F. Then question number 2, the value of C for 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Then the question number 3 is the value of F for 38 degree centigrade. Once again, the same logic we are going to use. This is once again in our application problems. The normal boiling point of water, we are having two-way measurement of the temperatures. 100 degree centigrade, or we can say 212 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree, this is the freezing point. 0 degree centigrade, or we can say 32 degree Fahrenheit. Find the relationship between C and F. That is the question number 1. Then the second question is the value of C for 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. The value of F for 38 degree centigrade. So dear students, now listen carefully. We have to formulate all these logics. Now listen carefully. As per the given data, we are having two ways of measuring the temperature. Now listen. One measurement is centigrade, another one measurement is centigrade, Fahrenheit. Centigrade and Fahrenheit. The first 100 degree centigrade, here 212 degree Fahrenheit. The second one is 0 degree centigrade, or you can say 32 degree Fahrenheit. These are the given concept. 100, 212. 0 degree, 32 degree. I can say this centigrade as X, then Fahrenheit as Y. That is the consideration. So 100, 212, that is the first pair of points. 100, 212. In the same way, second one is 0, 32. So once again, you are able to get the given data in the form of pair of points. See here, 100, 212. I can give the name x1, y1. This is to be x2, y2. Now, equation of the line joining any 2 points, you are able to formulate equation of the required line. That is nothing but y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now we have to substitute the data here. What are the data here? x1, y1, x2, y2. We are able to substitute and simplify. Listen, y minus y1. What is the value of y1 here? 212 divided by y2. y2 is 32 minus y1 is 212. That is equal to x minus x1. That means x1 value is 100 divided by x2. x2 is equal to, see here, x2 equal to 0 minus x1 once again 100. So substitute the data clearly. We are having pair of points here x1, y1 and x2, y2. We will know formula, equation of the line joining any 2 points. Then take the points and substitute the data. Now our aim, we have to simplify these data. Listen carefully. Y minus 212 in your numerator. Y minus 212. Here 212, 32. Just subtract 212, 32. 0, 11 means you can get 8. 180 with the negative symbol. So denominator we can get 180 with the negative symbol. In your numerator once again, x minus 100 divided by, here you can get minus 100. You can get minus 100. So we need to simplify this one, and now cancelling the results. Y minus 212 divided by, this 0 will be removed, negative will be removed, again this 18 and 10 will be removed with the help of second table. Therefore we can get 9 here, we can get 5. 0 will be removed, then this 18 and 10 will be removed with the help of the second table. We can get 9 here, then x minus 100 divided by 5. X minus 100 divided by 5. That means we can cross multiply this one. Here we can get 5 here. Then simplify. See this one. Now we are able to simplify the given data. Now listen. Y minus 212. Just I want to cross multiply this one. 5 times y minus 212 is equal to 9 times x minus 100. So 5 times y minus 12 is equal to 9 times x minus 100. Just to multiply here 5y. Then 5 is multiplication with 212. That means 160 you can get. 212 multiplication with 5. 5 2s are 10. Again one more. 5, 6. Again 5. So 1060 you can get. Then multiply 9x minus 900. 9x minus 900. Just I want to convert this one. 5y equal to 9x minus 900 plus 1060. Now 5y is equal to 9x. Simplification of these two, we can get 160. 160. From this, y equal to 9x divided by 5 plus 160 divided by 5. So y equal to 9x divided by 5 plus 160, again division of 5. We have to take 3 times 3 5s, again 2. That means 32. 2 times we can get 10. So y equal to 9x divided by 5 plus 32 is the relation we are able to get from this equation. So dear students, take the two temperatures. First temperature is 100 degree centigrade, that is equal to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Consider that is the first point. Another one is 0 degree centigrade, then 32 degree Fahrenheit. So we are able to get 2 points. With the help of the 2 points, we are able to formulate the equation of the line joining any 2 points. Use the formula, substitute the given data. This is the given data. Simplify, you are able to get an equation like this: y equal to 9x divided by 5 plus 32. Dear students, but the question number 1 is asked like this: find the relationship between f and c. We have to find the result of question number 1. Relationship between C and F. C and F. See that first table column. C means centigrade. C centigrade is denoted by X. Therefore, this X is replaced by C. That means Fahrenheit F denoted by Y. Therefore, I can replace this Y in terms of F. That means X is replaced by centigrade 9C divided by 5 plus 32. So, dear students, question number, that means result number 1 is F equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. This is one of the result we are able to get. F equal to 9C divided by 5. See here, Y is replaced by Fahrenheit, X is replaced by centigrade. So 9C divided by 5, then 32 we are able to get. This is the relationship between F and C. As per your question, you are converting this one, that's all. Then see the question number 2. Find the value of C. Question number 2 is find the value of C. Find the value of C for 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. That means F is given. Then we need to find the value of C. Here C is unknown. We need to find F. Therefore, just a simple concept. Substitute F equal to Fahrenheit is given 98.6. Then C equal to question mark. So F is given. We need to find the value of C. Just a substitute here. The value of F is 98.6. That is equal to 9C divided by 5. That is unknown plus 32. So convert this 32 in the other side. So 98.6 minus 32 is equal to 9C divided by 5. We have to simplify this one. 98.6 again subtracts with 32. We can get 6. Again 8, 2. We can get 6. 9, 3. We can get 6. 66.6 we are able to get here. So 98.6 minus 32 we can get 66.6. That is equal to 9C divided by 5. 9C divided by 5. Therefore, we need to find the value of C. Then what will happen? 5 is cross multiplying, then 9 will be division. Therefore, here we are able to get, here 98.66.6 here. Not C, 66.6. Now, we want to find the value of C. That means 5 is multiplication with 66.6 divided by 9. We need to find the value of C here. Just cross multiplying, subtraction of this one we can get 66.6. Then cross multiplication with here 5 is multiplication with 66.6 divided by 9. So if you are simplifying this one, we can get the value of C. So dear students, just to get the observation, find the value of C for, that means Fahrenheit given 98.6. Substitute in this equation, just simply 98.6 equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. Convert in the same side, we can get the result. We have to simplify this one. Now we are able to find the value of C. That is result number 2. Now listen here. So C equal to, see the relation? C equal to 5 is multiplication with 66.6. 66.6 multiplication with 5. 5, 6, 30, that means 0, we can get 3. Again 5 into 6, 30, here 1 3, 33, the remaining 3. Again 5 into 6, 30, 33. 1 decimal, that means we can get C equal to 333. 333 divided by 9. You can simply we can divide 333 divided by 9. That means 37, I think. 37 means 27. Again we are getting 13. 13 means 63. 7 9s are 63. That means C equal to 37 degree. C means centigrade. If you are substituting the value of F, then F is 98.6. Then we are getting the C as 37 degree. So Fahrenheit given, we are able to get the value of centigrade. One more question is in the same but different data. See the third question. So dear students, you have to simplify, that's all. Simplification means multiplication with these two, again divided with 9, we can get centigrade, 37 degree centigrade. Then the question number 3 in the same one, we are having one more subdivision. We are having one more subdivision. Find the value of, it is third result, find the value of F. We need to find F for C is for 38 degree centigrade. Find the value of F for 38 degree centigrade is given. That means C equal to 38 degree. Then F equal to question mark. So we have to substitute the value of C. Then we are able to find the value of F. Just substitute here. F equal to, see this one, 9 is multiplication with 38 divided by 5. 9 is multiplication with 38 divided by 5 plus 1 more 32. So this 9 can be simplified with 5. See here, 9 is divided by 5. That means 1 5s are 5, the remaining is 4. That means 40, we can get 8. So here F equal to 1.8. 1.8, again multiplication with 38, then plus 32. So this 38 is multiplication with 1.8. How we are getting this 1.8? That means 9 is divided by 5, we can get 1.8. We need to multiply this one. 1.8 is multiplication with 38, then plus 32. So now this 1.8 is multiplication with 38. 38 multiplication with 1.8. So that means 8 8s are 64. The remaining 6. 3 8. Again 24 here. Again one more 6. We can get 30. So 1 8 8s are 8 8 are 64. The remaining is 6 here. 3 is multiplication with 8. We can get 24. 3 8s are 24. Again one more 6. We can get 30. Now with the multiplication with 1. So 8. We can get 3.8. Just add here, then 8, 6. You are having one decimal, 68.4. So now F equal to 1.8 multiplication with here, we can get 68.4. Already we are having one more 32. So again F equal to 32 adding with the 68, we can get 100.4 degree. This is the result of Fahrenheit. Now we are getting the Fahrenheit F equal to 100.4 degree. So very simple logics. First we need to relate this one. f equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. That is the given logic we need. How we are relate this one? First pair of points from 1 centigrade, 1 Fahrenheit. Again another centigrade, again another Fahrenheit. Give the name x1, y1, again give the name x2, y2. Use the 2-point formation, then substitute the data. We are getting the formula, that we are getting the equation of the line. In that equation of the line, convert x as the centigrade, y as the Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit f equal to 9c divided by 5 plus 32. In this, we are able to substitute the data. If centigrade is given, we are able to find the value of Fahrenheit. Another one way, Fahrenheit given, we are able to get the value of centigrade. So dear students, take down the observations clearly. So use the application. See the application problems based on coordinate access system. So dear students, follow this very carefully and take down the logics. In the same way, we are having many problems based on this application. We are going to use the same types of logics and find out the results. Listen carefully. Dear students, take down the notes and follow all the types of concept. Already well known from your lower classes. Just so far we used what are the different formation of straight line so far we used. Just to recall. What is the question number 1 here? We are formula number 1 you are using. Y equal to mx plus c. This is equation of the straight line having slope m, then y-intercept c. Then another one, y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. It is also said to be equation of the straight line passing through the point x1 comma y1 and having slope m. This is nothing but equation of the line having slope m and passing through. It is nothing but in your lower classes you are using the word slope point formation. See the third one, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is also the equation of the straight line you are used in your lower classes. This is nothing but equation of the straight line joining any 2 points. Equation of the straight line joining any 2 points. We already used in your lower 10th standard itself. Then this formation is already you are using x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. X divided by a plus y divided by b. It is nothing but intercept formation. Equation of the straight line having x-intercept a and y-intercept b. That means x by a plus y by b equal to 1. We are already used all these type of equations. Suppose if the c equal to 0, then that means there is no intercept. Then we can use the formula y equal to mx. It is nothing but equation of the line having slope m, then passing through the origin. That means no intercept. In the same type, we are having one more new result. So far we used in your 10th standard. So far in your higher secondary also, up to this level we are used. Now we want to find some new types of equation. See, this is one also you hear given. The general equation of the straight line is ax plus by plus c. This is the general equation of the straight line. You are using ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equation of the straight line, general formation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we have a new result, 2 results related with this only we are going to form. Carefully listen one, dear students, that is the new logics, that means the new formula for your higher secondary. So far you are used all these results in your 10th standard. Now we are going to find the new formation, normal form. This is called normal form of a straight line. Normal form of a straight line. This is the first information you have to. This is the new formation. See, already you are having many logics in the previous one. Say this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So far you know this one. What is the meaning of this one? Intercept formation. So I can give the name A here, I can give the name B here. Now this will be origin O. If we are going to find the equation of this line, you can say equation of the line. What is the formula we are able to use for this? X divided by A, because it is x-intercept. It is y-intercept. So I can say x divided by OA. This value is unknown. So x-intercept OA plus y-intercept OB equal to 1. Up to this level, well-known explanation in your previous lower classes. Now what is the new formation is, from this origin, I have to draw a perpendicular line. I have to draw a perpendicular line. Say this point is to be P. The distance from this origin to this point is nothing but, that is also P, but use the small letter P. It makes an angle alpha here. It makes an angle alpha here. This is to be perpendicular. Perpendicular is nothing but normal form. So here OP is the length of the perpendicular. This is the distance from origin to this P is small p. So it is nothing but the length of the perpendicular from the origin to this straight line. OP is the length of the perpendicular or normal. Length of the perpendicular, you can use the word normal also. So OP is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to this straight line. So we are in this formation, we are able to find the equation of the line in new formation. This is the new formula we are going to find out. This is the theoretical concept. Listen, normal form. This is the perpendicular, that means AB line, straight line. The equation of this line AB is x divided by A. That means instead of A we are using the intercept OE. Y divided by B. B is nothing but OB. So x divided by OA plus y divided by OB equal to 1. Now what is the new logic is, from this origin we are taking a point P. This is said to be length of the perpendicular from the origin to the straight line, that is the point OP. This value is small p. This is the angle made by this line OP with the positive direction of x-axis. Now listen students, in this diagram OPA, see here it is a right angle triangle. OPA is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle OPA, see this right angle triangle OPA, this is an angle alpha. This value is known, that is P. This value we want to find OA. So this is the hypotenuse. This side is hypotenuse. This is an angle alpha. This is said to be OP. See here alpha here. So automatically we can say it is an opposite side. Then it is 90 degree here. Automatically we can say this is the hypotenuse. Therefore this side is called adjacent side. So we have to relate adjacent side with the hypotenuse. Where we are able to relate this one? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse will produce cos theta. Therefore dear students, use the cos theta formula. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. This is cos theta. But instead of theta we are having alpha, so that cos alpha is equal to, see this is adjacent side, its value is P, divided by hypotenuse is OA. Hypotenuse is OA. So I can relate this one, cos alpha divided by P is equal to 1 by OA. So cos alpha divided by P is equal to 1 by OA. So dear students, you are able to see a right angle triangle. See here OPA is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is an angle alpha. This is the distance P. We need to find the value OA. Therefore, relate adjacent divided by hypotenuse. adjacent divided by hypotenuse, it will produce cos theta. Instead of theta, use the angle alpha. Cos alpha equal to P divided by OA. So cos alpha divided by P equal to 1 by OA. We are able to get the result number 1. Dear students, in the same way, once again see here, we have one more right angle triangle here. See here, one more right angle triangle OPB. In this triangle OPB, this is the second right angle triangle. In this second triangle, see here, what is the angle here? What is the angle here? See, this is alpha. This must be 90 minus alpha only. Use the logics clearly. This is 90 minus alpha because here we can get the 90 degree. Here alpha, then this the balance is 90 minus alpha. See the relation here also. This is the adjacent side. Then this is said to be opposite. This 90 degree opposite side. It should be hypotenuse. Therefore, once again, the relationship between adjacent divided by hypotenuse, it will produce once again cos of, instead of alpha you have to use 90 minus alpha. Dear students, these are the important logics. So this is alpha, this must be 90 minus alpha. This side is adjacent side, here OP, adjacent side divided by OB. Once again OP is well known, that value is P. So cos of 90 minus alpha is equal to OP value is P divided by OB value is unknown. So this is nothing but cos 90 minus theta, you can say sin theta. Instead of theta, sin alpha is equal to P divided by OB. I can take this P in the denominator. Sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1 by OB. So sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1 by OB. Dear students, I want the value of 1 by OA, 1 by OB. I have to substitute these values here. See, I can convert this one. X is multiplication with 1 by OA plus Y is multiplication with 1 by OB is equal to 1 here. So I can write in the other formations. This equation can be put in the other formation. X is multiplication with 1 by OA. 1 by OA can be replaced by cos alpha divided by P plus Y. This 1 by OB is replaced by sin alpha divided by P is equal to 1. So now we can relate this P as the common denominator. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to 1. Just to cross and multiply this one. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This is the new result. Now we are derived from this diagram. So hereafter we are going to use this formula. It is nothing but equation of the line in normal form. It is derived from the that means intercept form only. It is the one of the subdivision from the intercept form. Already we have derived this intercept form. Now in this is the new logic. So here OP is the distance from or length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line. So the value is small p. It makes an angle alpha. Then we are getting this result x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the new result you are derived. So dear students, now we are getting one new result, equation of the line in the normal form. We have one more new equation, that is the parametric form of the straight line. Hereafter we are going to discuss about the parametric form of the straight line. That is also one of the new result. Here we are going to discuss the second formation. So up to this level, take the notes clearly. Simple. Here having two right angled triangle. In that right angle triangle, we need to find the value of OA. That means 1 by OA, 1 by OB. That is the logic. See here, we need to find OA. That means relate with OA and this one. That is known values. Here OP is the known value. That means we need to find OA. Relate this to one. Here 90 degree. So this side is said to be hypotenuse. Here alpha. This is said to be opposite side. This is adjacent. So relation between adjacent and hypotenuse will be produced by cos theta. Then relate that one. In the same way here also, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Now this is the important idea, 90 minus alpha here. So because we are having alpha, the remaining angle is 90 minus alpha. So instead of cos alpha, use 90 minus alpha. That is the one important knowledge you need. So just cos 90 minus theta, you already used in your trigonometric. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, then P by OB. Then we need 1 by OB is equal to sin alpha by B. Substitute here, simplify, you can get the new formation. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to B. So dear students, take down the notes clearly. The second derivation is parametric form. Hereafter we are going to derive. Take down the notes clearly. We have one more application problems based on the coordinate geometry, that means analytical geometry's concept. Population of a city in the years of 2005 and 2010 are given 1,35,000 and 1,45,000. So we can consider this year as x quantity, then population as y quantity. So let us consider year as x and the population as y. So see the data. 2005 it have 1,35,000. So 2005 the population is 1,35,000. Therefore we are comparing with the pair of points 2005 comma 1,35,000. In the same way we have one more data. 2010 the population is 1,45,000. 1,45,000. That means instead of this here we are having 2010 comma here how much population? 1,45,000. 1,45,000. These are the given data. So see here, this is the pair of points x1 comma y1, another pair of points x2 comma y2. So give the name like this, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Now we are having equation of the line joining these 2 points. Equation of the line joining these 2 points. So we have to formulate this one, equation of the required line. So far many times you are used the 2-point formation, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are well known. So use this one, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. We need to substitute all these data here. Y minus y1 1,35,000 divided by y2 minus y1. Simply we can say y2 is 1,45,000. Here 1,35,000. Therefore difference y2 minus y1 is, I can write straight away 10,000. So 45, 35 is equal to x minus x1. x1 value is 2005 here. 2005 first year. Again denominator x2 minus x1. x2 is 2010. Here 2005. The difference is 5. So we can substitute the data straight away. So y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, subtract here, x2 minus x1, subtract here. In the numerator, you have to substitute the data x1, comma y1 here. Now we need to simplify this one. We need to simplify this one. Then find the number of population in 2015 we need to find. Very simple concept. This 5 and 10,000 can be simplified. Y minus 1,35,000 divided by 5 times, we are able to cancel this one. We can get 2,000 straight away is equal to x minus 2005. Just to cross multiply this one, y minus 1,35,000 is equal to 2000 of x minus 2005. Very simple data, you can substitute. Now, in which year we need to find? After this, we are able to find the number of population in any year. So here, y minus 1,35,000 is equal to 2000 of x minus 2005. In which year we need to find? If, see, already we fixed year as considered to be x, population is considered to be y. Therefore, if x equal to in 2015 we need to find, then y equal to question mark. So we are going to substitute this data here. Y minus 1,35,000. So this y only unknown is equal to 2000 of, instead of this x I can substitute 2015 minus 2005. So just to simplify, 15 minus 5 we can get 10 here. So we are able to find the value of y. See here, 2000 of 10 here. 15 minus 5. This 1,35,000 with the negative goes to the other side. So you can get 1,35,000 as positive value. So here we can get 20,000. If you are multiplying, we can get y equal to 20,000 again plus 1,35,000. So that we are getting the result 1,55,000. So in which year? In 2015. In the year 2015, in the year of 2015, the number of population is 1,55,000. This is the required answer. So dear students, what is the given data? Year is given. What is the first year? 2005. The number of population 1,35,000. In the after 5 years, that means in 2010, the number of population is 1,45,000. What is the difference? They are having 10,000 population is increased. After that, see here, in the year of 2000, again 15 we need to find. With the help of 2-point formation, use this one, then substitute the data. Now we are getting an equation like this. Y minus 1,35,000 is equal to 2000 of x minus 2005. Here we need, in the year of 2015, we need the population. Substitute, simplify. Once again see, 1,55,000. First 2005, 1,35,000. Again a gap of 5 years. After 5 years, 2010, we are getting once again 1,45,000. After that, again one more 5 years gap. The number of population is 1,55,000. So this is constantly, the population is increasing. So we are able to work out. So dear students, these type of application problems, these are the application problems based on the analytical geometry with the help of coordinate system you are using. So dear students, go through all these questions, take down the notes clearly, then work out. Dear students, we have one more new theoretical concept, that is parametric form of a straight line. Parametric form. Parametric form of a straight line. Already we used the word parametric formations in your first topics. That means using the system of the locus of a point we are working out. In that we are using the word parametric formations, where theta is the parameter, where t is the parameter, like that. The same type of here parametric form of a straight line. This is a general formula you are having. X minus x1 divided by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 divided by sin theta is equal to r, where r is the parameter, So dear students, this is the required formula. Now we are going to derive this one. X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r, where r is the parameter. This is the parametric form of a straight line. We already used many types of straight lines. The new one just now we derived normal formation. This is another one, parametric form of a straight line. Then carefully in the diagrammatic explanation you are using to derive this one. Listen. We'll be taking the coordinate system, that is x-axis, y-axis, origin. I am drawing a straight line here. It makes an angle theta. It makes an angle theta. In this line, I am selecting a point P of x1, y1. P of x1, y1 is a point on this line. Again, one more point, that is Q, say x, y. Say x1. This is the point x1, y1. This is the point x, y. So from this PQ, it has some distance. Say this distance is r. From P to Q, it has some distance. That distance is a constant. Say we can give the name r, because in your question itself, in your formula itself, we are having the letter r, where r is said to be the parameter. So we are selecting that parameter as the r. Now listen. From this, I am drawing a perpendicular line. From this point, I am drawing a perpendicular line. Say PQ already, we are giving the name, say L and M. These are the perpendicular line. Draw PL and QM perpendicular to x-axis. From this, I am drawing one more perpendicular line. From this, I am drawing one more perpendicular line. This, give the name R. Give the name R. So we are getting a right angle triangle PRQ. You are able to get a right angle triangle here. See, here we are having a theta. This must be once again angle theta here only, because this line x-axis and PR must be parallel. Therefore, these two lines are parallel. If theta is an angle here, once again we can say that is also theta. Now see, PRQ is a right angled triangle. In this right angled triangle, see here theta, this is the only one result known. So in this right angled triangle PRQ, I am working out the value of sine theta. What is the formula to find the sine theta? Just we can say opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Always you are using the same one. So sine theta is equal to, in this diagram, which is opposite side, here theta, here 90 degree. So the side which is opposite to the angle is to be opposite side. We can say QR. We can say QR. Then what is the hypotenuse? That means PQ is the hypotenuse. That value is known value. We can select R. We can select R. So listen carefully. So sine theta, because a theoretical part, you must know the logics of theoreticals. Sine theta equal to, because we are having a right angle triangle. Whenever you are getting a right angle triangle, angle is known, R is the hypotenuse, we can immediately relate to the trigonometric ratios. So sine theta equal to opposite QR divided by, that means hypotenuse. So QR divided by R. So here, what is the value of QR? Dear students, listen carefully. You have to follow this one. What is the coordinates of a point R? You are able to find the coordinates of R. See, up to this, from this origin to this, we have x coordinate. Here we have x coordinate. Then from this, we need y coordinates. Because this is also y coordinate. Here how much y1? The same value we are getting y1. Here from origin to this, how much value? X coordinate. X, y1. So what is the value of this one here? See, highest value y, then y1. So this distance must be y minus y1. So you have to derive this one. X, y, this is the point. So the coordinates of R is x, y1. The meaning is from origin to this, how much value? X coordinate value is x. Then y value is this one, y1. So unknown quantities we are able to derive. So this distance QR is nothing but y minus y1. So I can say y minus y1 divided by r. This must be y minus y1 divided by r. So I am taking r here. So y minus y1 divided by sin theta. See, this is result number 1. See, this is result number 1. So r equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. In the same way, in this diagram, we are able to work out one more relate. That means one more relation. First we are working out sin theta. In the same way, think about cos theta here. Think about cos theta. What is the formula for cos theta? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is PR. So adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So here cos theta is equal to, see this adjacent side, what is the value here? PR is the adjacent. Then hypotenuse known value R. But here cos theta is equal to, PR is, see here this distance we need. The maximum is X minus this distance X1. So this must be PR is X minus X1. This value PR, how we are deriving? Carefully see that is. From origin to this value is X. From origin to L, that means OL is X1. So this must be the higher value X minus X1. So we can say X minus X1 equal divided by R. Once again cross multiplying, R equal to X minus X1 divided by cos theta. X minus X1 divided by cos theta. Say this is result number 2. So here we are finding out the value of R. R equal to y minus y1 divided by sin theta. Here also we are finding out the value of R. X minus x1 divided by cos theta. Therefore, equating 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. So see here. X minus x1 divided by cos theta. X minus x1 divided by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 divided by sin theta is equal to, or this is the required equation of the straight line in parametric form. So x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to, or is the parametric form of a straight line. Now listen, see the derivation, take down the notes. From this we have one more logic. Listen, that's also. From this we are able to conclude that one. See this one, already we worked out. This is the parametric formation, just we worked out. From this logic, listen this concept also. So we need to find all the data very clearly. Theoretically, if you are strong, then you can solve any problems without hesitating. X minus x1 by cos theta equal to R. Just I am cross multiplying this one. X minus x1 is equal to R cos theta. So x equal to, take here, is a positive. If you are going other side, x1 positive plus R cos theta. So the value of x is x1 plus R cos theta. See the same way, I am comparing this one. Y minus y1 divided by sin theta, that is equal to R. Just to cross multiply. Y minus y1 equal to R sin theta. Now y equal to, take out to the other side, positive, it will become positive y1 plus R sin theta. Therefore, x equal to x1 plus R cos theta, y equal to y1 plus R sin theta. It can be paired like this, x1 plus R cos theta, comma, y1 plus R sin theta be the parametric representation. This is the parametric representation. This point is considered to be any point on the line, straight line. We can consider it is a parametric formation. Here R is the parameter. So theta is the given angle. So x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus, see this one, x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus R sin theta. Instead of this cos and sin, we can give the constant like this also, x1 plus R cos theta. If you are substituting the value of theta, it will produce a constant only. Therefore, we can say A. Then here, y1 plus R, it will produce B. You can say Instead of theta, we can substitute the data AR plus BR. So this is also said to be a parametric one. We are getting the points from this only. We can equate, we are getting the value x comma y. So the pairing this one, x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta is the parametric representation of the straight line. Any point on the straight line. It can be considered as any point on the straight line. It can also in the formation x1 plus instead of cos theta and sin theta we can use the constant x1 plus AR, y1 plus BR is also the parametric representation. These students, this is the one new result when compared with your 10th syllabus. We are having only two formations are new. One is normal form, another one is this one x minus x1. This is called parametric form of the straight line. Just now we discussed the normal form. That means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. Just now we worked out x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is the normal form where p is the length from the origin to the straight line. It should be always positive, where alpha is the angle made by the OP with the positive direction of x-axis. Today students, we are getting two new results. Based on these results, we have some problems. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about. Thank you.